Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Gibson, and today I will be giving a general background on the sport of lacrosse. Lacrosse is the fastest growing sport in the United States, so this slidecast is for those who would like to learn more about this fast-paced sport. The sport of lacrosse was first invented by the Native American tribe called the Iroquois on the east coast of the United States around the 1630s. This version of lacrosse is very different from the sport we play now. One big difference is that the players used to have no padding, and there were commonly over 100 players in a single game. These games they played took the place of wars between rival tribes and would commonly be played for over 24 hours. Another thing that is different about the historical version of lacrosse versus the one that is played now is the lacrosse sticks that they used. As you can see, a lacrosse stick has changed a lot over the years. At the very beginning, a lacrosse stick was very simple, using a split branch with some sinew for netting. Over the years, this evolved to have a much bigger netting section, as well as the sticks getting longer overall. In the more modern age, lacrosse sticks are no longer made out of wood, but instead plastic, metal, and nylon. The most modern lacrosse sticks are extremely lightweight yet durable thanks to composite materials like fiberglass and carbon fiber. Today, lacrosse is played on a 110-yard by 60-yard field, so the game can typically be played on a football field with custom lacrosse lines painted on the turf. Surrounding each team goal is the crease, which marks an area that only the goalie and the defenders may enter. In the middle of the field is a penalty box. Similar to hockey, lacrosse issues penalties in the form of losing a player for a select amount of time. There are 5 main items needed to play lacrosse. These are a helmet, chest pads, elbow pads, gloves, and of course, a lacrosse sticks. Over the year, lacrosse gear and lacrosse sticks have gotten safer and lighter, allowing for more exciting and fast-paced play. Lacrosse is commonly said to be the fastest sport played on 2 feet with a ball, and if you ever get a chance to watch a game, I am sure you'll agree. I hope this short general background of the sport will make you more likely to watch a game or maybe even try to play. Thank you for your time, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.